Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans for beginners. Your journey begins by building your very own village. Focus on placing your buildings strategically to protect your resources and defenses. Upgrading your town hall is crucial, as it unlocks new structures and powerful features. Don't forget to train a variety of troops in your barracks, preparing them for battle. Collecting gold and elixir is essential. These resources fuel all your upgrades and troop training, allowing you to grow stronger. Efficient resource management is key to success. Always prioritize upgrading your gold mines, elixir collectors, and storage units to maximize your income. Gold should primarily be invested in strengthening your defenses, such as building and upgrading cannons, archer towers, and walls. Elixir, on the other hand, is best spent on improving your offensive capabilities, like upgrading your barracks, spell factory, and your troops. Maintaining a good balance between offensive and defensive upgrades will ensure steady and robust progress in your village. When it comes to attacking, careful planning is paramount. Always scout enemy bases thoroughly to identify their weak points, such as exposed resource collectors or poorly defended areas. Deploying a diverse army composition, perhaps a mix of giants, wizards, and archers, will allow you to adapt to different base layouts. Remember to use your spells strategically. A well-placed healing spell or lightning spell can turn the tide of battle. Aim for at least 1 star to secure valuable loot and trophies, boosting your progress. Joining an active clan is one of the most rewarding aspects of Clash of Clans. Clans allow you to receive powerful donated troops for your attacks and defenses, and you can also donate your own to help fellow members. Participating in clan wars offers significant rewards, including bonus loot and clan war experience. It's also a fantastic way to learn from more experienced players, share strategies, and build a strong community. Don't hesitate to request reinforcements. A few extra troops can make all the difference in battle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.